lizard man. Did they miss one? I need to get rid of him to get past. All right, I'm feeling pretty good today. What the? That came out of nowhere. I can't fight it alone.
You're hurt again, Ginu. I'll treat you.
Thank you, Jui. This one is different from the others. It's so strong. No, I can't die like this. Someone help me.
Tsung, watch out!
Thank you.
I don't think I've ever seen a door before. Let's go in.
The torch is lit up. Nice.
I've never seen anything like this dungeon.
Is that the boss? What? The door's closed!
What I saw inside that gate showed me what it really means to be afraid.
Over here!
Mr. Song, take Jui and leave this place.
Ginu!
I'm sorry.
All a dream? A hospital?
So you've regained consciousness.
Who are you?
I apologize if we startled you.
The Hunters Association surveillance team. Why do they want to talk to me? I've been asleep for 3 whole days? Is everyone else all right?
They're both safe, but... Mr. Song Chio lost an arm. As for Ms. Lee Ju-hee, she seems to have been heavily traumatized, so she is currently receiving therapy. Hunters are aware that their job entails danger, but disasters like this rarely happen. After receiving a report from the survivors, we went to the scene, but by the time we got there, the monsters were already gone. You were lying inside the dungeon. You were alone. The statue of God and the other stone statues were nowhere to be found.
That's impossible.
That's why we think you may have undergone a second awakening. This is a mana meter. All you have to do is place your hand on top of this essence stone here.
How are the results?
I think we've taken up too much of your time. I'm sorry.
What the? Getting me excited for no reason.
Jinoo, are you up? Do you know how worried I was? I told you to be careful. If you get hurt one more time, I'm going to make you quit the hunter business. Got it?
Hey, Tina, can you see this?
What are you talking about?
Never mind. When you have an unread message in a game, what do you have to do to view the message?
I have no idea why you want to know, but you have to open the message box first.
You have to open the message? Huh? Congratulations, you have now become a player?
Anyway, I'll be off. Get some rest, Jinoo.
What is all this? How am I supposed to do any of this in a hospital bed? I'll think about what this means after I get some sleep. An earthquake? I'm in the desert? Some kind of... Nice! Survive for the allotted amount of time? Dodge their attacks? Damn it! How long do I have to run? How does it expect me to get out of here alive? Penalty quest? Is this a joke? It's been 4 days since I regained consciousness. There are a couple of things I've realized. Firstly, the screen I see in front of me is not an illusion. I can see it crystal clear, but nobody else can. This strange phenomenon has taken control of me. Come to think of it, I wonder if I'm going to get something useful this time. I get a random loot box every time I complete a quest. This instance dungeon entry key is from one of those boxes. It's time to figure out what this is. If all this is a sign of reawakening, it's worth a try. The weakest hunter of all mankind, reawakened. People would mock me if I told them. I'm great at running away, so if things get dangerous, I'll just get out of here. No way. Is it sealed? Am I in a different dimension? This is not a regular dungeon, huh? I have to clear it in order to get out. Ugh, that stench. Beast-type monsters, maybe? Wolves? Don't give up! Damn it! I can't believe this starving dog is stronger than me. I won't lose! I got this! Don't give up! Get out of my way! I won't lose! But I can't get hurt this time, no matter what. I was given a second chance at life. I refuse to die so easily. Nice! I won't lose! I got this! I will never lose! Looks like I get 5 stat points every time I level up. I actually have a chance to become stronger. What should I do next? I can't leave this dungeon till I've defeated them. If this is an E-rank dungeon, shouldn't I be able to kill the boss? No, there's nothing to fear. I mean, I've already died once. I'll fight for my life, as long as I've got it. I've come to a realization. If I give up here, I'll die for nothing. I can't keep hiding in the shadows like I always have. If it means I can become stronger, I'll gladly fight. I won't lose! I got this! Yes! This is my last chance. It all depends on me. I won't lose! A wolf assassin. I like it. Getting a teleportation stone was easier than I thought. Should I go back? No, I don't know if I'll ever get the chance to boost my powers like this again. What will happen to this dungeon if I use the teleportation stone? Will it disappear? So, I guess to keep going would be to let some unknown being keep controlling me. Maybe it's the one down there. I can already feel it. Lurking down there is a monster, and I can tell it's a tough one. I've gotten stronger, but it might not be enough to win. Do I go forward or retreat? I can do it too! I'm going to do my best today. Is this really Hapjeong Station? The dungeon boss. Nice! Sword's no match. How the hell do I pierce through these scales? Don't give up! Get out of my way! This is my last chance. It all depends on me. I have to be stronger. I came all this way to become stronger. Now is my chance! I must have gotten a little stronger, huh? I will never lose!
Hello, I'm Im Ha-jin, the new hire. We're rolling out a brand new app for hunter registration. Have you heard about it?
It's news to me. What is it?
By using this program, you can easily recruit Strike Squad members and view your squad's equipment. You're curious, right? Wanna take a look?
Will you join me?
Installed it on your cell phone as well. Now, you can access it anytime. If you find a bug or have suggestions on how it can be improved, drop me a line, okay? Oh, right. In the Hunter community, we use official nicknames for anonymity. Once you decide on a nickname, I'll register it for you.
Great, let's go together.
Please evacuate, quickly!
Their attacks aren't coordinated. Huh?
Hey, give me some healing, quick!
Chuhi? It's been a week since the incident. Looks like she hasn't recovered yet. Well, I can understand why. No, I must overcome this. Can I be of any help? It might be more dangerous than it sounds, but it's a step down from the boss I fought earlier. Maybe with my power alone. Get out of my way! Don't give up! I can't let the other hunters see me. This is the best I can do for now. It all depends on me. I can do it too. do it! I can just break down his defenses. It's possible. I just need one good hit to crack this stupid rock. This is my last chance. We'll never lose! Can I really be a hunter that levels up? I'm...
Scared already? You had more guts as an E rank.
Not true!
Of course, you're still an E rank nobody. You've just gotten lucky. So try it then. Prove me wrong.
I won't lose! Get out of my way! I'm not the same as before! I can't give up! I won't keep hiding in the shadows like I always have! I will become stronger! It all depends on me! I won't lose!
A new gate?
Measuring mana levels.
Please hurry. A new gate has been observed. Please recruit a strike squad.
I'll go.
You can obtain a lot of resources from gates, but they're dangerous. You'll be a great help.
Time to warm up. This will really help me grow. Take this! He's stronger than I imagined.
You can't avoid
To the front. Too slow.
This is the end! This is the end!
You're an unworthy opponent.
I heard you needed me.
I want to help.
Will you join me? Here they are.
Time is on our side.
Will you join me? Can't relax.
Time is on our side. Not a chance.
I'll set you ablaze. Too hot? The path to victory is letting go of doubt.
Oh my, great timing. I was actually looking for you. I'm Sorin of the Hunters Association. You've met Hatin, right? Well, Hatin mentioned that she forgot to tell you something important. I want to let you know about a new support system introduced by the association. Activity funding. The association will hold funds for your activities based on your rank. You can claim them whenever you need them, so check it out. They'll only hold a certain amount of funds at a time, so collect them often.
Looks fun. Let's try it.